guys, it's Rémy from the Griddle, and today the special recipe is duck fillet on the griddle. Before cooking, you just have to make some streaks with a knife on the fillet and add some salt and pepper. You don't have to add some oil on the griddle, just turn it up for 10 minutes before. Now it's hot very well, and I just have to put the fillet on the griddle. Je vais monter la cuisson. The major problem with the duck fillet is the grease, because the grease, when you cook it, go out from the fillet. But with the griddle, it's very easy, because we have a big grease tray. It's an half-gallon grease tray. Look at the result. It sears perfectly. And now it's ready. In France, we love to eat the duck fillet medium rare. Approche. This is how we love it. You see how it keeps juicy. All of this is thanks to the griddle grease. Et voilà, that's finished. Bon appétit!